DigitalBix fashions. The highlight of a classy modern outfit, skirts can be worn on any occasion and anywhere. Available in different types of like A-line, formal, ethnic, etc. These designs of skirt comes in different sizes, designs, colors and embellishments. Here are 5 skirts you would love to add to your wardrobe. Number 1. Long skirts. A super stylish and one of the most elegant skirt designs. This skirt that can be paired with a crop top and be worn in the summer and spring season. Long skirts often come with a front or side slit that makes them an ideal outfit for a beach or a casual vacation. Number 2. Short skirts. A top skirt design and statement piece of clothing. Short skirts can be worn along with formal or casual skirts depending upon occasion they are being worn for. Add some chic to your style by pairing your outfit with a contrasting top and matching handbag. Number 3. Mini skirts. Pair a beautiful embellished mini skirt with a shirt or fitted top to nail the perfect party girl look. Add a dash of panache by completing your look with a black handbag. Number 4. Midi skirts. A midi skirt ends right below your knee, making it a go-to option for any occasion like a formal meeting or casual outing with friends. Pair your midi with a skirt or a tee and a handbag to rock your look. Number 5. A-line skirts. Stand out of the crowd with a beautiful A-line skirt adorned with a lace detailing. Pair it up with a white top to look your casual best. Complete your look by applying some makeup. Thank you for watching this video. Please do like, share and subscribe our channel DigitalBix Fashions.